I guess. To enable Waze safely, or to enable Waze safety camera alerts, hit the three bars at the top left, press settings, and go ahead to the alerts and reports. You're gonna see the first option, reports, press it, okay, and make sure that speed cameras and red light cameras are turned on. Okay, so you can see here in the options right here, Waze or speed limit changes, which means speed cameras and red light cameras. You're gonna find it somewhere here. All right, and also stay in the settings, or go back to the settings and hit voice and sound. Make sure you turn on the Waze sound, right? And your phone's media volume is up. Okay. If alerts still don't work, check the app permissions or verify that camera alerts are not restricted by local laws. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.